Good morning, dear students. Jai Swaminarayan. Now today we are going to write down all the birds together. So 1, 3 time, 1, 2 and 3 time you have to write down. So first mention the date 1/3/13/8/2021 CW, and the title will be BIRDS birds. Okay, so this is the spelling of crow. So what is the spelling of crow? CROW, crow. Again CROW, crow. Owl, OWL, owl. OWL, owl. EAGLE, eagle. EAGLE, eagle. PIGEON, pigeon. PIGEON, pigeon. PARROT, parrot. PARROT, parrot. SPARROW, sparrow. SPARROW, sparrow. PEACOCK, peacock. PEACOCK, peacock. OSTRICH, ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. Sorry, here. So sorry, that was my mistake. So here we'll start spelling of penguin. PENGUIN, penguin. PENGUIN, penguin. This way you have to write down in your notebook with good handwriting. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.